Hi, I'm Faiza Shajil from Garter the Cake Phenomena. I have experimented something and I wanted to share it with you people. I have made some fondant stamps. As you can see, this is the ivory leaf. These are three flowers. This is the single flower and this is a motif, and I will show you how to make these stamps and how to do printing on your cake with these stamps. So let's get started. For the ivory leaf stamp, we need an ivory plunger cutter. I have rolled out the fondant very thick, as you can see. Now I will cut out a leaf. Okay. Smooth it from the sides before you take it out. Now press to make an impression and then push it out. Again, first smooth the edges. It doesn't matter because you have to use the surface only still to make it smooth and flat. Now again I have rolled the fondant very thick and I will use my square cutter to cut out a square. Now I will take some fondant, shape it into a ball, and then from the sides I will pinch it to flatten it. Now take some edible glue, apply it on the back and then apply this one. Fix it with the edible glue to the square base. Now take a skewer, wooden skewer, dip it into your glue and then poke it inside up to the surface like this. Let it dry completely upside down. When it is completely dry, it's not right now but I will show you. When it is completely dry, put the edible glue on the surface and then place the leaf that is also completely dried out on the square base, and then you can let it dry again completely in an upright position. So your stamp is ready to go. Using the same method I have made all these stamps. This one I have shown you how to make it, and this is the flower plunger cutter, and you can make single stamp or you can make 3 flower bunch, 4, 5 as you like it. And this is the mold I used. You can do the same way. Take it out of the mold and it should be thicker enough, and then make a square base or a round base, whatever you like. And in the same way as I've shown you to make it, in the same way you can make any design of your choice. And now I will show you how you can use these stamps to print on your cake. So I have rolled out my fondant to show you how to print these stamps on the cake. I have mixed my Rollcom copper dust with lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, and made a paste. Now it's thick, not that much thick, but don't make it thin. I will paint on my stamp. I will fully cover it, especially on the edges, so the outline is completely printed on your cake. Okay, so I will now press it lightly on the surface of the fondant. Don't press it from the stick, or the stick can poke out from the front. This is only to store your stamps, to fix them somewhere. That's why I put this skewer inside. Otherwise you have to push it from here. Okay, don't mind if it is at somewhere misprinted, it's okay, it will give its own beauty. You can see this is completely printed, and this is at some places it is missing, but I like it the way. We can try one more. Okay, so it looks pretty. Now for the other stamps, I took the paint directly. I didn't mix it with anything. Like for the green color, I just took sugar flare green gel color. This is spring green color. You can use two tones on this as well. Again, cover it with the paint, especially the outline. And now, oh, lift it. You can see. So one is dark and one is light. Both are giving very pretty look. So you can make any design you want to. It can be flowers, it can be leaves, it can be any motif, and you can use any color. If you have to go for the dust, just mix it with the fresh lemon juice. You can do black or copper or silver or golden on blacks even, and it will give a very pretty look. Thanks for watching.